In this video, I'm gonna go over how to register your bank accounts. The path is Accounting 1, Setup, Register Bank Account menu. In this menu, you can register your company's bank accounts and manage balance by each bank account. You can click New button to register a new bank account code. In Bank Code field, you can enter your checking account number. Then, in Bank Account Name field, you can enter the name of the account, for instance, Citibank account. And in order to help you easily search the name, enter the last 4 digits of account number at the end of the name. This will help you differentiate bank accounts if you have multiple accounts from a single bank. And next, in Account Code field, you can select an account code based on the nature of the bank account. So in general, if the account is a general checking account, you can select either checking accounts or savings account. And if it is a checking line of credit, select checking accounts code. And also, if the account is a loan, you can select between 2 account codes, short-term loans and long-term loans. So if the loan period is shorter than a year, select short-term, and if longer, select long-term loans account. And next, in Keyword field, you can enter the keyword that you will search the bank account by. You can search bank account codes by either code, name, or keyword. So if the code and name is too difficult to remember, you can enter an easier keyword, and later enter the keyword to search and enter the bank account code. Next, in Remarks field, you can enter notes for the bank account. So for instance, if the bank account is a checking line of credit, you can enter the limit amount. And if it is a loan, you can enter the repayment date, etc. And if the bank account is in your domestic currency, you can finish the registration by clicking Save. But if it's a foreign currency bank account, select the corresponding currency type in Foreign Currency Bank Account field at the bottom. And you need to first register the currency you use in the program. So you can use Add button to register a new one, or you can go to Accounting 1, Setup, Foreign Currency Setup menu. In the Setup menu, you can register all the currencies that you use for transactions. And then you can register your foreign currency bank accounts. And by each currency type, you need to individually create a new bank account code. And once you've generated bank account codes by each currency, later when you enter accounting vouchers, you'll be able to enter the exchange rate and foreign currency amount. And you'll be able to manage balance not just in your domestic currency, but in foreign currency as well. So once you've entered each field, you can click Save. Then in the bank account list, you can verify the generated bank account code. And lastly, one thing to add. In case you've closed an existing bank account, instead of deleting the corresponding bank account code, please deactivate the code. So you can either click on the code, hover over Inactive Reactivate button at the bottom, and click Deactivate. Or in the bank account list, select the bank account code and hover over Inactive Reactivate button at the bottom and click Deactivate. If you deactivate an existing bank account code, it will not be displayed when you search bank account codes in voucher input screens. And later, you can use the deactivated code for data viewing purpose. So instead of deleting the code, please deactivate it.